What's good, SRT Cam fam? It's your boy SRT Cam. We back with another video today. Today we putting some underglow in the Hellcat. Fuck this picture right here. This ain't no. We putting some underglow. So that's what shit about to look like right there. Fine shit right there. About to pull the Hellcat up on the ramps right here so I can get up underneath the front end and the sides a little bit better. And then I'll take it off the ramps and I'm gonna do the rear end. We got 2 strips for the sides, 2 strips for the front, or 1 strip for the front and 1 strip for the back. Hit my kill switch. We already got we got the starlights. Which I did install, by the way. If there's a video on the channel, if y'all want to know how to install your starlights. We got our ambient lighting. Boom. And then we got up in the front, which y'all might not be able to see the best just because it's a daytime out and it's really bright, but we got our SRT badge. And then behind the grill, we got some lights too. So we're about to have some underglow as well. And then I want to get the RGB headlights. Had this bitch looking like a real PC. I really was never a fan of all the lights and shit, but now that I'll be going to the meets and I'll be seeing all the other Hellcats with the lights and shit, I'm like, damn, I can't be the only shit not lit up like that. So I'm gonna get some RGB headlights too. And we're about to get right on this underglow, so I'm gonna tap back in with y'all. Yeah, y'all probably like, what the fuck is this? This is my garage extension. Geek shit? This is my garage extension right here. Yeah, it's hood as fuck. Yeah, it's ratchet as fuck. But it works. The garage fits a car in it, and it's damn near hell trying to get anything in and out of there without, you know, with the car in there, so. Temporary shit. We're gonna be moving to a new place soon. Hopefully we got a bigger garage coming for y'all. Stay tuned for that. But let's get to work. I'm gonna pull the Hellcat a little bit back in the hood carport over there, so we got a little bit of room and not have to work in the sun. Alright y'all, my camera died while I was up there, so I was just doing a little bit of boring shit. We got our front, hold on. We got our front LED strip tied in up there, right by our windshield washer reservoir, tied into our radiator. And then we're gonna go right on this strip right here on the front bumper, just so it's a little bit more visible. I was gonna go on the radiator right here, but I don't want it to be too far back, so we're just gonna go right here. Ooh, we're gonna go right here. I'm gonna plug y'all back in when I got that in. I don't know if y'all can see, but y'all laying on the ground with me. Try to get y'all an angle of it. That ain't going nowhere. This is definitely gonna make the exhaust sound way better. All right, guys, we're going for the side one now. We've got our cable routed down with our brake lines and shit. Over to this little, whatever you want to call it. Got it zip tied up. And then we're gonna go right along this edge right here. Just in case we take this side panel off to repaint it or something like that. We don't want to have to redo our underglow, so we'll put it right here. I'm gonna get y'all back on when I got this put on nicely. All right, y'all. Alright, y'all, we sent our cord that goes to the back. Sent it down pretty much by the engine mount. And then we're gonna tie it up with our side one and our brake lines, so we can route it all the way to the back. We're just gonna put it up in our brake line mounts right here. All right, y'all, we hitting up our last side, or not our last side. Well, we're hitting up the second side over here. We're just hitting this line with some brake cleaner on a rag, making sure we're gonna have good stickage, good sticky grip.
What?
With our LEDs, brake cleaner and a rag. Just don't. I'm about to pass out. Just don't pass out. And then I'm about to install the line right now. I'm gonna try to get y'all the angle, but I might not be able to, so we'll see post editing. All right, guys, we got the last strip on the back. Under there. There we go. Y'all can see that, right? Yeah. All right, so we got the lights installed all the way around. We got the underglows. We got the grill lights. We got SRT badge. Inside, we got ambient lighting around the doors, and then we got the star roof. So yeah, she pimped out right now. Next thing, I don't know if actually I'm gonna do it yet, but RGB, LGBTQ headlights. Don't mind the hood carport over there. We was doing dropping the transmission under there, so we had to do some work under the tarp so we weren't in the rain. So yeah, don't mind that shit. Just pretend that it's not there. Just look at the beautiful car before your eyes. Don't look at that. So we got the last strip on. It's daytime right now, so I'm gonna fast forward a little bit and give y'all a clip of it during the nighttime. Alright, y'all, so that's pretty much been it for this video. It's daytime right now, so I'm gonna just roll a clip. Well, I probably already did that before this because this is the outro, so this is gonna be at the end of the video. So I already rolled y'all a clip of what it looks like at nighttime. So yep, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Go ahead and comment down below. It's my boy SRT Cam, and we go.